Hey there, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself struggling to bring your design ideas to life, or wish there was an easier way to visualize your space, today's video is for you. We're diving into how technology is transforming the world of design with Foyr Neo, the 3D rendering software that's making waves in the interior design industry. Creating 3D renders used to be a tedious and complex process, but Foyr Neo is changing all of that. It's not just another rendering tool. It's a fast, user-friendly, and powerful platform that allows designers of all levels to produce stunning visuals with ease. One of the key features that sets Foyr Neo apart is its speed. Traditional 3D rendering could take hours, or even days to complete. But with Foyr Neo, you get your renders in just a few minutes. This means faster turnarounds, more time for you to fine-tune and experiment with your designs, and ultimately, more efficient workflows. But speed isn't the only thing Foyr Neo does well. Quality is a huge focus too. The software can render in an impressive 12K quality, giving you images with unmatched sharpness, clarity, and realism. Every detail, from textures to lighting, is captured with photorealistic precision, making sure your final render looks exactly like the real-world design. This is perfect for showing clients exactly how their space will look. And Foyr Neo isn't just realistic. It's easy to use too. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, the intuitive interface makes designing a breeze. With drag-and-drop features and real-time rendering, you can instantly see how your changes affect the design. Plus, Foyr Neo offers an extensive library of over 60,000 3D models, which means you'll have access to furniture, finishes, and decor for every room in the house. Be it the living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, office, or even outdoor spaces. This vast collection lets you bring your design vision to life, no matter the space you're working on. Plus, it doesn't stop there. Whether you're designing a commercial office, a music room, a salon, or any other specialized space, Foyr Neo has the models and resources to make it happen. No matter the type of room or environment, you'll have everything you need to create realistic, tailored designs. One of the standout features of Foyr Neo is the ability to create virtual tours. Rather than static images, you can design a fully immersive, interactive 3D experience of your space. This helps clients and teams visualize and experience the space firsthand, speeding up decision-making and improving collaboration. For those who work across multiple platforms, Foyr Neo integrates seamlessly with other design tools, offering a smooth workflow from start to finish. With 12K render quality, Foyr Neo guarantees crisp, clear details, giving your designs that professional touch every time. Whether you're designing a cozy room or an entire home, your ideas will always look polished and lifelike. If you're ready to elevate your designs and create exceptional renders, Foyr Neo is the tool you need. Want to try it for yourself? Click the link in the description to enjoy a 14-day free trial of Foyr Neo and experience the future of 3D rendering today.